In this video, I'll show you how to consistently hit home runs in Baseball 9. It's not just about swinging hard, it's also about upgrading your players, mastering the controls, and watching for the right pitches. So in this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know in order for you to consistently hit home runs in Baseball 9. So first, go to your player upgrades, choose a batter, and level up their power stats. Unlock and upgrade the power swing skill to at least level 3. This dramatically increases your chances of hitting the ball far. Also, balance your player's contact and eye stats. When we say contact, this helps with solid hits, and eye improves pitch prediction, making it easier to time your swing. Then use your EXP to upgrade players regularly. It's worth investing in. After that, head to practice mode by going into settings, then game, practice, then batting. Here you can train with different pitch types and adjust your cursor speed in settings, set it higher so you can move quickly to line up with pitches. When batting, look closely for a small baseball icon that appears. It helps predict where the pitch will go. Focus on swinging at low and solid pitches, and avoid swinging at high balls. They are harder to turn into home runs and less perfectly timed. Now also pay attention to the pitcher's energy. As the game progresses, pitchers lose stamina and start throwing weaker or less accurate pitches. This is your chance. Wait for the pitcher to drop to yellow or red energy. Then start swinging at better pitches to hit home runs more easily. Lastly, don't be afraid to get walked. Drawing walks lowers the pitcher's energy and gives you better opportunities later in the inning. Once a tired pitcher is replaced with a bronze level reliever, their pitch quality usually drops, especially if they have basic sliders or fastballs, which are easier to hit. So follow these strategies, upgrade your players, practice smart, watch the pitcher's energy, and time your swings, and you'll start racking up home runs more often.